This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the screen swap used the original true depth assembly. That's the part face ID depends on. Once you confirm parts, power down the device and disconnect the battery so you avoid shorting delicate circuits. Make sure you are grounded and use a bright light and magnification to inspect flex cables, connectors, and adhesive brackets for damage or misalignment, so the connectors will mate cleanly when reassembled. Now reassemble carefully. Align and seat each flex connector until it clicks and secure any metal brackets or alignment pins so the assembly sits flat. Once everything is mechanically perfect, reconnect the battery and power up. Make sure the device completes initial system checks. Then go through the setup screens and navigate to Settings and Face ID to begin the enrollment process. This forces the system to reinitialize the True Depth module and verify optical alignment. Finish by running a Face ID enrollment. Watch for on-screen progress and complete both scan passes. If enrollment fails, reboot and reset Face ID in settings to force a fresh initialization, and make sure software is up to date because firmware can block reactivation if mismatched. If problems persist, check the device's system information for true depth errors. Then power down and carefully reseat connectors or seek repair tools that verify sensor alignment. This addresses the most common hardware-caused failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.